What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and these are the HUAWEI Watch GT 4 in 46mm. The watch actually comes in two sizes, 41mm and 46mm, okay? And let's unbox the green edition first and followed by the grey edition. Let's go. Let's get the watch out of the package. It's a very tight box, okay? So here you go. We have the watch here on the front, but we'll look at it later. Let's see what else is inside the box. In here we have left side, small box, and let's see what's inside. This is basically the charging pad, okay, for the watch. So we can actually charge the watch wirelessly by just placing the watch on this pad, okay? And on the left side of the box, we see nothing else but a small booklet. This is basically the quick start guide. And you know, no one reads the manual anyway. So that's the unboxing. Now let's look at the watch itself. Wow. Okay, so first impression, the strap is actually kinda smooth and also very soft. It's made of rubber. It's actually not leather or any texture at all, because initially I thought it was like cotton or something, but it's not. It's actually rubber on the bottom, and there's texture on the front. And the screen here, the screen looks good. The new octagonal shape for the bezel also looks good, and at the back we do have the heart rate sensor and other stuff that I will talk about in a bit. Other than that, let's check out the grey edition. So the grey edition basically means it's bracelet instead of a strap, okay? So in case you are a business professional who wants to wear a professional looking watch, a smartwatch by HUAWEI, you actually get to pick this one. So this also comes in 46mm diameter and also has the octagonal bezel, okay? So at the back here, you get to see the bracelet actually looks very good, okay? It tapers down straight away from the lug, okay? And here you can actually press to unlock the clasp. And there you go. And this is how you wear the watch. I show you. Wow. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Of course, you need to adjust the strap if you want, okay? But for now, we'll just wear it on my wrist like this for, just to show, okay? And I will also show you guys how it's like if I wear the green version on my wrist. So this is the green version, and to wear it, simple, just like how you wear a normal watch, okay? So put it through the hook and you're done. So the green actually looks kind of nicer. It's also more casual. If you like casual watches, this is the design that you should pick. Of course, there are many more designs in the series, but I only have these two here with me today. Let me set it up first, and we will show you some of the features and the UI on the HUAWEI Watch GT 4 right after this. Okay, so I just done setting up the HUAWEI Watch GT 4 Green Edition with my HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, okay? So in order for me to show you how the basic operation is and also the UI, I'm going to set up my camera here so that you can see as I'm talking to you, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is how the watch face looks like. If you pull from the top, you actually get to access like the setting buttons. And if you pull from the bottom, this is where your notifications are. And then from the left are all your widgets, which of course you can customize. Like for example, here I have the weather widget and also the now playing widget. And then if you go on the right side, this is where your widgets are, your different panels from the apps, shortcuts, and you can quickly access everything from this side as well, and it's also customizable. Now pressing this button on the top, this crown, you can actually access all the applications on your watch, and then if you scroll, you can actually zoom in or zoom out of the list, okay? And there's also another button here at the bottom, and at this bottom button is where you press to quickly access your workouts. So as I press here, I'm accessing my workouts, and it's definitely a lot easier to scroll now because now we have like a scrolling crown on top instead of just touching the screen. Of course, if you want to touch the screen, you can. And now, if you want to customize your watch face, you just need to press and hold, and this is when you can pick your different watch face, delete them, and also customize them. So that is a quick unboxing and demonstration of the HUAWEI Watch GT4 watches. I have two with me, the green and also the grey edition, depending what you like. These are the 46mm sizes with octagonal bezels, and the 41mm versions do not have the octagonal shape, but they are also a round pendant design, which I feel is suitable for people with like smaller wrists or females. Okay, so that's all. Look out for my review after this, because I'll be testing this watch and using it for like workouts and stuff. If you love videos like these, unboxings like this, don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below, share this video with your friends, and follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and X. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo.